Hi everyone, I'm Brian, engineer with MagTorch, and here today I have the detail torch to show you. This is a butane torch, refillable with our MagTorch butane. The refillable port is going to be on the bottom here, and this features a safety lock, a automatic trigger, continuous run lock, as well as a flame adjustment here on the side. And now this is going to be great for electrical soldering with this tip here, your hobbies, arts and crafts, wood burning, and other small projects like that. It's also going to be great in the kitchen where you might have some wood chips for a smoked old fashioned, if that's your thing. So we're just going to get these nice and lit here. Put the glass over that. Get it nice and smoky in there. And then once that is looking good, put that back up, pour your whiskey and enjoy. For more information, check out magtorch.com.